Hello everyone, welcome to the live session of Rajans. This is Mother's Day special live session. Hi. Hi Dr. Ramya. Hi Pihu Soni. So guys, this is special Mother's Day live. Thank you everyone for joining. So first of all, we have a special offer going on. If you buy anything from our Mother's Day sale, we will be giving a special surprise for your mother from our side. This is a special gift from our side to your mother. Hi Sumit. Hi Jyoti. Shop address, yes. Hi Sumit, our shop is in Jaipur. We are Jaipur based, but we ship online worldwide. Hi Raj Diamonds. आप बैंगलोर में हैं, सो यू कैन बाय डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम अस. आप हमें डीएम कर सकते हैं या आप हमारी वेबसाइट से ले सकते हैं. वेबसाइट लिंक इज गिवन इन बायो. So this is a special Mother's Day live session, and let's start with gold jewelry first. So I have this beautiful necklace. This is a long neck. You can see this is a beautiful long necklace, and the price, original price of this necklace is 25,000. And on this Mother's Day sale, we are giving this necklace, long necklace, just for 19,000 rupees only. This is in 22 karat gold with natural certified diamond polki. This is hallmarked also. You will be getting certificate with this. So the actual price is 25,000, and after discount, after Mother's Day sale, the price is 19,000 rupees only. Just look at the color combination. It has all the pastels and beautiful color combination of mint, pink and green. You can take the screenshot. Okay, so now I'll show you another piece. This is our hot selling necklace. This is Radha Krishna pendant with a cow. This is also in 22 karat hallmark gold with natural certified diamond polkis. Just have a look. So this is a long necklace, and the price of this necklace is actual price is 70,000 rupees. And if you buy from live, we will give you this necklace at 63,000 rupees only. This is 22 karat hallmark gold with natural certified diamond polkis. You will get lab certificate with this. Rainbow 5 layers माला दिखा दो प्लीज. रेनबो की माला हमारी वेबसाइट पे है, आप मल्टी सफायर टाइप करके वो देख सकते हैं, और वो पर्ल लाइन से अवेलेबल है. आप नंबर ऑफ लाइन सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड नाउ कम्स another thing. This is a beautiful earring collection. Just have a look. It has so many earrings. The price of each earring is 35,000 rupees, and if you buy from this live sale, these are hallmarked gold earring, and if you buy from this live, you can take the screenshot. Price will be just 28,000 rupees. Guys, cash on delivery is also available, and also free shipping is available pan India. Just look at these earrings. One more color is available in this. This is pink, baby pink, and this is blue. Have a look. And this is another pair of earring. All these earrings are for 35,000 rupees, and after discount you will get it 28,000 rupees. This is our Mother's Day sale. Just have a look. You will get certificate in hallmarking with these pieces. Have a look. You can gift your mother these beautiful pieces and she will remember this gift to long life. Now we have something else. We have a beautiful collection of adjustable 22 karat hallmark gold rings. Just have a look. These all are gold rings. All these are adjustable with 22 karat hallmark gold with natural certified diamond polkas. So you can see these rings. The price of these rings are 30,000 rupees, and after discount you will get these rings at 20,000 rupees only. Just have a look. Very beautiful ring, and also these rings are adjustable. You can use them as gift also. We will be providing certificate and hallmarking with these. Look at this cute Lakshmi ji ring. The price of these rings are just 20,000 rupees, and this is still Mother's Day only. Like, you have 2 days only to buy these products. Wait. Have a look. All these rings are adjustable with diamond polkas. These are very beautiful ring. If you want to buy, you can take direct screenshot from this live, and the actual price is 30,000, and you will get it 20,000 rupees each. Now I'll show you a necklace. This is a beautiful 22 karat hallmark gold necklace. Just wait. Have a look. This is in multicolor 22 karat gold necklace with natural certified diamond polkas. This is fresh in our collection. Look at the beading of this necklace. This is a choker necklace. It's a very beautiful necklace. So the actual price of this necklace is 1,99,000 rupees, and if you take the screenshot from this live and if you want to buy, we will give you this necklace at 1,65,000 rupees only. Only if you take screenshot from this Mother's Day live, you will get this necklace at 1,65,000 rupees. It's a very beautiful necklace. And this necklace is accompanied by these earrings. बहुत सुंदर earring है इसके. गाइस, अगर आपको ये खरीदना है तो आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं और हमें डीएम कर सकते हैं. ये प्राइसेस सिर्फ मदर्स डे तक ही वैलिड है. Now I will show you few pieces from silver jewelry collection. अगर किसी को B2B में बल्क में बाई करना है, then also you can contact us. Hi Vedahi. So for that, you can take the screenshot. The price of this is 1,99,000, and on this Mother's Day, we are giving at 1,65,000 rupees only. You can take the screenshot. This necklace is with earring. You can take the screenshot. Now comes silver part. So this is a beautiful necklace in 92.5 silver with natural tanzanite gemstone. Look at the quality of tanzanite. बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है इस tanzanite का. Just have a look. This is a beautiful necklace. Look at the color of tanzanite. So this necklace is in 92.5 silver and the price of this necklace is 52,000 rupees. And if you buy, take the screenshot from this, and if you want to buy, the price of this necklace is 45,000 rupees only. This is a Mother's Day offer for you guys. Just have it. So the actual price is 52,000 and discounted price is 45,000 rupees for this necklace in natural tanzanite with 92.5 silver. You will get the certificate and premium box packaging. Cash on delivery is also available. Now comes the next necklace. This is a beautiful ruby necklace. Again with 92.5 silver pendant. Have a look. It will look like this. So the price of this necklace is 55,000 rupees. And if you take the screenshot, the price is 44,000 rupees for this. Look at beautiful peacocks with center ruby gemstone, the pearl work. Just have a look. Now the next necklace. Have a look. This is natural ruby and zoisite gemstone, and this is Krishna Ji with silver work done all around the pendant. This is the back side. One more loop is given if you want to attach any of your jewelry. You can do that also. Just look at this. And this is made with natural ruby and emerald gemstone beads. This is a masterpiece necklace. If you want to buy this, the price of this necklace is 57,000 rupees. And if you buy from this live, the price will be 47,000 rupees only. This is the best price, and we are giving this price just because it's Mother's Day. And we want your mother to enjoy these precious beauties. So the price is 57,000 and after discount this is 47,000 rupees. You can take the screenshot. Now I have one more piece with me. This is a beautiful necklace in natural emerald with natural ruby gemstone made in 92.5 silver pendant, and these strings are also natural rubies. This necklace will look like this. So the price of this necklace is 60,000 rupees and after discount the price is 49,000 rupees only. So if you buy this from this live session, the price will be 49,000 rupees only. So guys, I have shown you so many pieces. You can share the screenshot with us. These prices are till Mother's Day only, and we are giving one surprise gift from our side also to your mother with all the orders that you will be placing with us, and we'll be providing free delivery and cash on delivery is also available, and you will be getting lab certificate with these products. So thank you everyone for joining in, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you.